Hello! Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English practice channel.
Hi everyone! It's so nice to see you again. How are you today?
I hope you are doing well. Maybe you are relaxing, or cooking, or traveling, and listening to us.
Yes, just relax and learn with us slowly, step by step.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will talk about your plans, your future plans.
That's right. We will learn how to talk about the future using simple English.
We will practice easy sentences like I will go, I am going to.
Very good. Very simple. Very useful.
Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it really helps us and helps you learn more English every day.
Okay, let's begin.
Emma, let me ask you something.
Okay, I'm ready.
What are your plans for today?
Oh, good question. Today I am going to study English, and then I will watch a movie.
Very nice.
Wait, Daniel, I said two things. I am going to study, I will watch.
Yes, good job. You used two future forms.
But Daniel, what is the difference?
Good question. Many learners ask this. Let's make it simple. Very simple.
Yes, please explain slowly.
We use going to for plans we already decided.
Ah, okay, already decided.
For example, I am going to study English tonight.
Because I already decided.
Exactly.
Okay, I understand.
Now, we use will for quick decisions or new ideas.
Oh, like when I decide now?
Yes.
Example, please.
You say, I will drink coffee.
Yes, I always say that. Okay, let's practice together.
Yes, let's practice slowly.
Listen and repeat after us.
I am going to study.
I am going to study.
Good. One more time.
I am going to study.
Now, next sentence.
I will call my friend.
Repeat.
I will call my friend.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Now, Emma, let's talk about tomorrow.
Okay.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I am going to wake up early. I am going to go for a walk, and I am going to eat a healthy breakfast.
Wow, very healthy life.
I will try.
Good. You used both again.
Yes, going to for plans and will for maybe or quick idea.
Perfect.
Now, let's ask our viewers.
Yes, good idea.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Think for a moment.
You can say, I am going to work. I am going to study. I am going to rest.
Say it slowly. I am going to work.
I am going to study.
I am going to rest.
Very nice.
Now, let's talk about weekend plans.
Oh, yes, weekend is fun.
Emma, what will you do this weekend?
I think I will visit my family.
Nice.
And maybe I will cook something special.
What will you cook?
Maybe I will cook rice and chicken.
Simple and delicious.
Now, your turn.
Yes, you, the listener.
What will you do this weekend?
Say it.
I will
watch a movie.
I will meet my friends.
I will relax.
Great job!
Emma, sometimes people say, I will going to.
Oh no, that is wrong.
Yes, very common mistake.
We say, I am going to,
Or, I will.
but not both together.
Exactly.
Let's fix the mistake.
Yes, listen carefully.
Wrong. I will going to study.
Correct. I am going to study.
Or, I will study.
Good. Very clear.
Now, let's talk about long-term plans.
Yes, future dreams. Emma, what are your future plans?
In the future, I am going to improve my English.
Very good.
I am going to travel.
Nice! Where?
I will decide later.
Good answer.
Now you.
Yes. Think about your future.
Say,
I am going to learn English.
I am going to get a good job.
I am going to travel.
Repeat slowly.
I am going to learn English.
I am going to travel.
Excellent.
Daniel, learning future tense is fun.
Yes, and very useful.
We use it every day.
Every day, in real life.
Let's do a quick review.
Good idea. Going to equals plan already decided.
Example, I am going to study.
Will equals quick decision or new idea.
Example, I will call you.
Simple, right?
Very simple.
Now, final practice.
Yes, let's practice together.
Say after me.
I am going to wake up early.
I will drink coffee.
I am going to study English.
I will watch a movie.
Great job, everyone.
You are improving step by step.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
And what will you do this weekend?
Write simple sentences.
We will read them.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye bye. Take care.